Hi guys, so today your mama dog will do laundry. Let's get started. Hi guys, so this is what we do during the summer and I love it. So after washing in the washing machine, we sun dry our clothes, everything. So we can save electric bill. Why not?
What did you do, Mama? Are you trying to make the bed when you're tired because it's exhausting and tiring? I mean, everyone does, right? I hate it, right? Mama hates it too. Look at that, guys. Look at that mama dog. She doesn't like putting the bed together. She said it's exhausting, Mama. I know. Okay.